Bhavan Road. This is what Raj Bhavan Road looks like, full of water. This is actually very near the
अगर हम
governor's
देखें तो किस तरीके की परिस्थिति का कि इस रोड पर राजभवन रोड पर
residence.
कई सारे ऐसे